Yeah, first of all, I wish all the sisters and brothers from the Telugu and the Kannadiga states very, very happy Ugadi. తెలుగు కన్నడిక ప్రజలందరికీ మే హృదయపూర్వ శుభాకాంక్షలు. In Tamil Nadu also there are a significant number of brothers and sisters, so we all have celebrated it. So we are celebrating Pongal. Our Honorable Prime Minister participated in the Pongal festival, and our Sudhakar Reddy has participated in this. So we are the example of unity in diversity, and we are the example of secularism. Even today, when wishing the people of Telugu and the Kannadiga brothers, he has our Chief Minister is sowing the seeds of divisiveness, saying about Hindi. Why you have to say that? Because all are unitedly, we are wishing each other and we are living together. So I strongly condemn the separatist mindset of DMK, separatist activity of DMK. So this is not the Tamil core nature. Tamil nature is wishing everybody and greeting everybody, welcoming everybody, and talking unitedly. This pluralism is the core character of Tamil. But they are separatism, they are taking the Tamil character as separatism. So I cannot say they are following the even Tamil culture. So it is mandatory that they should be defeated. Otherwise, they will smash even the Tamil culture. Now I am asking, why did Kanimali went to Delhi to meet Rahul Gandhi? Because that is the national party, this is a regional party. Our Honorable HM came and met our Honorable Edapadiyar, and Honorable Prime Minister 2 times came to Tamil Nadu and met all the NDA leaders. Then for as a friendly talk, and naturally if the head of the alliance is traveling to Delhi, they cannot criticize. But the pressure is mounted on the DMK alliance partners only, who were all given more seats. Now the seats were reduced, and for that they are using the BJP name. Even for you to for amicable alliance, BJP is needed for you. So communist is coming and telling, no, we have reduced 1 seat because we don't want BJP to come. MDMK is coming and telling, no, we have reduced 1 seat. So we don't want BJP to come. So BJP is helping DMK to for an amicable alliance, so that because it's threatening the name of with the name of BJP, they are reducing the seats. They are only putting pressure on the alliance partners. We are democratically dealing with the alliance partners.